Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unblock someone on Roblox, updated for your convenience. If you've ever blocked a friend by mistake, or simply want to reconnect with someone, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. You'll see the familiar interface where all the magic happens. Next, to find the user you want to unblock, tap the search icon at the top of your screen. Type in their username and hit enter. This will bring up a list of users, including the one you're looking for. Once you see the person you want to unblock, simply tap on their name in the search results. This will take you to their profile page. Finally, look for the Unblock button at the bottom of their profile. Give that a tap, and voila! You've successfully unblocked the user. It's as straightforward as that. Now you can re-engage with friends or players you want to connect with again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on Roblox.